Safety sensors wiring loose, causing intermittent operation, is one of the sneakiest issues that can totally mess with your garage door or gate without you even realizing it at first. So if your safety sensors are acting up, the first thing you want to do is check the wiring. Like, literally trace those wires and see if anything's loose or frayed. Sometimes just pushing the connectors back in tight can fix the problem right away. Also, keep an eye on the sensor alignment, because even a tiny shift can cause the system to think something's wrong and stop working. Make sure there's no dirt, spiderwebs, or anything blocking the sensor lenses. That stuff can seriously mess with their signal. If you notice the wires look old or damaged, it's smart to replace them before things get worse. Another tip is to test the sensors by waving something in front of them to see if they react properly. If they don't, it's probably a wiring or sensor issue. Don't forget to check the control board connections too, since loose wiring there can cause intermittent operation as well. And finally, if you're not totally comfortable handling electrical parts, calling a pro is never a bad idea to avoid bigger headaches later on. One of the biggest issues with safety sensors wiring loose causing intermittent operation is that people often ignore small wiring problems until they turn into total failures. Fix this by routinely inspecting your wiring and cleaning sensor lenses every few months. Another common mistake is misaligning the sensors when trying to fix them yourself. Always double-check alignment using the indicator lights on the sensors for guidance. The third problem is using cheap or incompatible replacement wires and sensors that don't match your system, which leads to persistent faults. Make sure you get parts that fit your specific model to keep everything running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors for stuff like garage door repairs without all the stress of guessing who's legit. It also helps contractors get found by folks who really need their skills, making it easier for everyone to connect and get projects done right.